Good morning, girls. Hope everyone is well and safe at home. Girls, we were discussing the Lahore resolution. We had discussed the background of Lahore resolution. Now, today we will discuss that what were the important parts of that resolution. Now, open your books on page 54. Before starting about the resolution, we must be clear about it that Lahore resolution was presented by A.K. Fazlul Haq, the Tiger of Bengal, and it was presided by Qaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Now, the All India Muslim League had their sessions on from 22nd to 24th March every year, and now we are talking about 27th annual session of All India Muslim League. The annual session of All India Muslim League, it was held from 22nd March to 24th March 1940 under the presidentship of, clear? You must clear about the term presided. You must clear about the term presented. Clear? In Urdu you use the Urdu word presided means sadarat and presented means पेश करना. Clear? So sadarat किसकी थी? Qaid-e-Azam की. Under the presidentship of Qaid-e-Azam Rahmatullah Alayh at Minto Park, Lahore, in which large number of Muslims attended. Clear? So, what happened on the annual session of All India Muslim League, which held from 22nd to 24th March 1940, under the presidentship of whom? Qaid-e-Azam Rahmatullah Alayh, at which place? Minto Park, Lahore. And who attended that meeting? Large number of Muslims. Clear? So first of all, note down the short question with these 3 lines, then we will move ahead. When and where did the annual session of All India Muslim League held? Clear? 27 is not mentioned here. So basically it was 27th annual session. Clear? When and where did the annual session of All India Muslim League was held? Clear? So you will write the answer in these 3 lines. Now move ahead. There Qaid-e-Azam, he had a speech over there. So in the words of Qaid-e-Azam, now this is a complete speech of Qaid-e-Azam in inverted commas. Clear? So you would go through it. Hindus and Muslims belong to 2 different religions, philosophies, social customs and literature. Means Hindus and Muslims, they have different religion, they have different thoughts, they have different philosophies, they have different social customs, they have different literature. They neither intermarry nor interdine. Means they cannot have their intermarriages, वो आपस में शादी नहीं कर सकते. Nor interdine, आपस में खा पी नहीं सकते. And indeed they belong to different civilizations which are based mainly on conflicting. Conflicting means there is difference of opinion. They do not have same opinion, ideas and conception, and they have different you can say plan. They have different divisions, they have different plans, they have different types of conceptions. So their concepts on life, they are different. They have different conceptions about life, they have different ideas, there is difference of opinion. It is quite clear that Hindus and Muslims derive their inspiration from the different sources of history. We cannot say that Hindus and Muslims, they have the same inspiration. They derive their inspiration from different sources of history. They have complete difference in their opinion. To yoke together 2 such nations under a single state, one as a numerical minority and other as a majority, must lead to growing the discontent. To yoke means to join. if you can see the pair of bulls who are going to do the plowing in the field, both of these are held with the same piece of wood by which they are dragging the themselves, by which they are plowing the field. So same is the case. Quaid-e-Azam have quoted the example, to yoke together two such nations under a single state, under a single piece of wood, one as a numerical minority and other as a numerical majority. Numerically means the things which can be counted. When we count one as minority, means these are less in number, and other as majority means these are more in number. So what will happen? What will be the result? It must lead to growing discontent. What will be the end result? End result will be dissatisfaction. There will be an atmosphere of dissatisfaction and final destruction of any fabric. Destruction means destroy, damage. Of which thing? Fabric. Of any fabric means the basic structure of you can say thing, the basic structure of any organization that can be affected. So no system, no organization would have its existence. So what will happen? That may be so built for the government of such a state. So any organization, any system which is going to be implemented, which is going to perform its duties, there will be no more existence of that one. There would be an atmosphere of dissatisfaction, there will be destruction, there will be damage. Clear? So this is what all about the speech. Now write down the question with it. What did Quaid-e-Azam express in his speech while presiding the annual session of All India Muslim League? What did Quaid-e-Azam express in his speech while presiding the annual session of All India Muslim League? So this will be an answer, the whole of the paragraph. It will be an answer of this question. Clear? Note down both of these questions in your copies. Clear? And take care, girls. Allah Hafiz.